I feel like Son of Sam and it's 74, shooting cramps down by the bodega store. I got a Spanish mama that's my Lumiere Mall.
Yeah.
Always feel the love when I'm down in New York.
This feel like New York in the summertime, where kids grind for the money size. Mothers cry, kids run aside, then 100 rounds go blah, blah, blah. Spanish bitch wanna taste your neck, season you, this'll make you sweat. When you passed out, she might take your check, then break a sweat. She a patient vet, hustles all on that street corner, sweaty palms with a piece on her. Dreams of copping that big body with navigation and seat warmers. This don't belong on no postal car. Ball of chill at the local park, sipping on blue Gatorade, politicking about new local art. Cars driving by way too fast, swerving through traffic like someone is dying. Seeing the people be way too mad, sticking their heads, they can smell of the violence. Riding a city that's never been silent, where everyone's riding for a chance to be timeless and suffer the shining. And no, I don't need to remind you.
I feel like Son of Sam and it's 74, shooting cramps down by the bodega store. I got a Spanish mama that's my Lumiere Mall. Always feel the love when I'm down in New York. I feel like Son of Sam and it's 74, shooting cramps down by the bodega store. I got a Spanish mama that's my Lumiere Mall. Always feel the love when I'm down in New York.
No disrespect to the culture in your neck of the woods, but Tim's and sweats is something that I never understood when I first landed. But I saw that shit first-handed. Motherfuckers is dead serious. Fuck getting lost, boy. You can get got here. It seems like everyone rapping. How the hell you get hot here? Man, shit is not real. Listed. No wonder they all conspiracy. And I thought I was gifted. Past the blunt, let me get lifted. Past the fact that I'm competing with cats twice my talent, half my age. Fuck a challenge. This career, suicide.